find different places to play those notes. Here's that F sharp and D. One more time. In the last video, we showed you how to use this diagram here to find certain notes on the instrument. Now, you'll notice that some of the frets don't have notes written on them. Why is that? Well, those notes are called sharps or flats. To find a sharp or a flat, you just need to know the relationship between it and another note. Let's take the note C for example. C, if you raise it up one fret, is now a C sharp. So if you have a song that has a C sharp chord in it or a C sharp minor chord in it, all you need to do is find C, go one fret higher, and then you found C sharp. A flat is just the opposite. A flat goes down one fret. So let's take the note B and let's find B flat. B flat, one lower, then B. So we're going to bring it down to here on the first fret. Here's a good trick to help you remember sharps and flats. If you were to sit on something sharp, you would definitely stand up. So you need to go up on the neck of the guitar when you're going sharp. If you get a flat tire, your car is going to go down. Some notes have both sharps and flats. Some notes only have a sharp or only have a flat. For example, B doesn't have a sharp because you're just playing C at that point. C doesn't have a flat because it's just B. Some notes can also be both a sharp of one note or a flat of another note. Let's take the note here on the 4th fret of the E string. What note is that? If you said G sharp, you're correct. If you said A flat, you're also correct. Let's take a look at the chords to this song. We've got 3 different chords: F, D minor, and B flat. Let's find F. You could play it here on the 1st fret of the E string, or here on the 3rd fret of the D string. Let's find the note D. You got 2 different places to play that. Open D string, or on the 5th fret of the A string. The choice is yours. And lastly, B flat. Let's see if you can find that. Did you find it here on the 1st fret of the A string? That's correct. If you found it here on the 3rd fret of the G string, that's also correct. You can play whichever one is easier for you. Let's turn on the jam track in the style of Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. 1, 2, here we go. B flat. Back to F. I'm gonna play a different F now. Now a different D. Now I'm gonna play a different B flat. Challenge yourself to learn those notes back to F. Let's change the rhythm a little bit. Your turn. Come up with a rhythm for this song. It's okay, whatever you play, as long as you're holding each chord, each note for 8 beats. And end on F. Excellent job jamming along with that jam track. Excellent job finding those B flats by remembering that it's a B, then 1 fret lower. Let's take a look at one more song. This song has an F sharp minor chord, which means we need to play the root note F sharp. See if you can find it on your bass guitar. Here are 2 different places to play F sharp. Here's the F. Bring it up 1/2 step, F sharp. There's also an F right here on the 3rd fret of the D string. 1/2 step higher, F sharp. Let's go through all the notes in this song real quickly. First is A. We can use that open A string. We can play the A here on the 2nd fret of the G string, or you can play the A here on the 5th fret of the E string. The choice is yours. Next is the note B. Again, we've got a few different places to play it. Then we go to that F sharp minor chord, play that F sharp, and lastly, going to that D chord. So we're going to hold each of these notes for 4 beats. A, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, 2, 3, and end on D. 2, start again. A. Let's turn on the jam track in the style of Halo by Beyonce. 1, 2, ready, play. A, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3. F sharp. And D. Can you find different places to play those notes? Here's that F sharp and D. One more time. One last time. F sharp, and on A. You can now find any note on the fretboard using this diagram and that little trick, sharp up, flat down. Check out any song chart that you want now, and you can find those root notes on your neck. Happy jamming!